Hi there, welcome back to our program. Today on this program, we'll be talking about 7 ways to appear indecent. Okay, so right now, decency is not all about being primitive or being timid. Decency is about appearing in a way that suits a modern standard of living or appearing in a manner that conforms to morality or responsibility. So how do you appear decent as a single lady? I'm going to give you 7 ways to appearing very decent. In a manner you can step in anywhere and get the desired effect that you need or get the required attention that you deserve. So number 1 is you can dress for success or you can dress for failure. Your appearance will always speak louder than your words. So when you step into a place, they will first see how you look before they can tell who you are. So always make sure that you appear in a manner that can give you the required audience that you deserve. So people can pay attention to you and speak to you in a manner that you wish you were attended to. And number 2 will be this. You have to know what to wear and when to wear them and how to wear them. For instance, you do not go to church with a nightclub wear. You see people in church, they wear very short skirts or short dresses and off-shoulder sleeves just to go to church. Those are inappropriate clothing to go to church. No one will take you serious. They will appear as though you are desperate or irresponsible because that's not the right clothing for a church service. And do not appear outside your gate, outside your house with your nightwear. Your nightwear is meant for your bedroom. The worst thing you can do is to appear in your sitting room or your environment with a nightwear. Nightwears are meant for the room and not for outside the gate. Number 3, do not appear in a ceremony wearing a dinner dress or a nightclub dress. Ceremonies require adequate kind of dressing. If you're going for an award night, appear like it's an award night. If you're going for a wedding, dress like it's a wedding. If you're going for a birthday party, dress like a birthday party. If you're going for a dinner party, then dress like a dinner party. The right clothing at the right time will give you the right appearance to appear decent at all times. Choose to look like a prostitute? No. Choose to look like a princess. You don't want to appear like a prostitute when you want to be addressed like a princess. The Bible says in Proverbs 31, it talks about the virtuous woman. There is an attire for the prostitute and an attire for the virtuous woman. So the virtuous woman is a princess. When you appear like a princess, no one will mistake you for a prostitute. When you appear like a prostitute, do not expect to be treated like a princess. A single lady who wants to appear very decent and like a princess should dress like one and not like a prostitute. Always keep a cheerful face. When someone compliments your look, when someone says hi to you, always respond cheerfully. Hello, hi. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? You don't just ignore people because you feel you are all something when you're nothing. Always respond to people graciously. That makes you look very decent. Always dress right when going to work. So when going to your office, avoid dresses that have very deep neck to expose so much of your cleavage. Avoid clothes that clings to your body too much. Do not wear very glittering dresses or very tight clothes. Do not try to always pull down your skirts because it's too short. Always make sure that you appear with the right manner of clothing that fits your kind of body. What is in vogue is not for you. Everything that comes trending, it's not for everybody. Choose the right clothes that shows your beauty and exposes your charisma and personality. Not everything that goes trendy. Or should you want to look that way? No, choose the right clothes that beautifies you, that exposes your kind of personality and makes you look glowing. So appearing decent is not too difficult. With these few points, you can improve your appearance everywhere and every time. Please do share this video so the next lady can come across it. See you in my next program. Bye. Hi there.